Hello everyone, Philip from Scan Unlimited, and I mentioned in a previous video that I was going to show maybe a different way to go about finding wholesale products using Scan Unlimited. And so what I mean by a different way is that the last time I went through maybe the more typical way of doing it, which is still a really good way. It's actually the way I use most of the time, which is that you get yourself a wholesale list from your brand, or a brand I should say, or manufacturer, and you upload it to Scan Unlimited, and then usually what I do is I sort by rank, and just recently we added the filters feature, so that will allow you to add filters. And then you kind of go through and you start from the top, meaning like once you sorted by rank, you kind of see, okay, well, what can I actually earn a return on? Because you want to start from the top of rank because you want to get the things that sell the most, and then it's just whether or not there's a margin. So today I wanted to give like a little bit of a twist, and in reality, I'm hoping that you don't take this video as, okay, let me use this now and then only this. The main point of this video really is to show you that you have to think outside of the box. Turns out it's not as easy as just upload a file and bam, you've got products. A lot of times it requires a little bit of creativity, and I'm going to show a little bit of creativity today, so you kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. So here I am in my test account, and of course with the Melissa and Doug file. I should get paid for promoting them so much. I picked this file is really great for many reasons, because it kind of shows, or it illustrates kind of the environment, that the reality of Amazon. Let me put it that way, right? So if I sort by rank like I usually do, you'll see, okay, the top items rank 50 in the category toys. That's great. Problem is, you see on the right side, the ranks are all good, but the ROIs are all red. Very negative. This is very typical on Amazon in general. Usually, if you have a list, sometimes you'll get a manufacturer where you upload the list and like the best item is like 200,000 rank. So not much demand at all for that, which we can still talk about. Again, there's so many ways. Like, you need to not think, so you gotta be open-minded. Okay, there is actually opportunity in those manufacturers that have like their best item as only 200,000 rank. Vice versa, you might find a supplier that gives you a list that has amazing ranks, but more common, you'll see that the ROIs are not that great. Now, of course, I could filter for ROI here and say, let me only show me ROIs that are greater than 20%. And yeah, now they're all positive and the ranks aren't bad at all. But I wanted to show you kind of a different way to look at it. So the same thing, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go sort by rank, except we're looking for bundle opportunities. Because the great thing about Scan Unlimited is that with a very large file, you can find all the items that have great rank. So therefore, there's demand there. And if you have a file that has a lot of products that have really good rank, but the ROI sucks, then you might actually have a great opportunity to bundle something. Melissa and Doug is not a great, to be honest, not a great example of bundling, because there are some restrictions on what you are and are not allowed to bundle. But just to kind of give you an idea, if you can find a product that will allow you to bundle within that category, then perfect. But let's take this for example, right? So what's interesting about this item is that it has a 109 rank, which is amazing. According to Jungle Scout, that would be 6,400, almost 6,500 units sold. Probably, you kind of have to think in the perspective of the buyer. You're thinking, well, probably customers are only buying one of these at a time, but there's a chance that they might want to. If you compete right here on this item with the pricing that was from this list, you're not going to make money. Actually, it's going to be a huge loss. It looks like the Amazon fee is way overstated. So yeah, it's obviously some sort of oversized item, so the Amazon fee is freaking ridiculous. But what's interesting is that if I go back to the listing, it says item package quantity 1, meaning that it looks like someone has already possibly tried to make a bundle of this. So maybe like a 2-pack, 2 of these being sold. And the benefit of that is that, yeah, maybe not a lot of people want 2 of them, but you could provide maybe a small discount if they bought 2. And you would be the only one on that bundle, at least temporarily, because of course you're going to attract all these moochers to follow you. At least initially, you will have the listing on your own because obviously it's going to attract attention. But, that's kind of the way the Amazon world works, right? It's very much free market, but you can stay one step ahead of the curve by finding these opportunities before other people do. I'm not going to go in depth into how to make bundles because that in itself is a whole video. But I'm trying to give another perspective on like how to use Scan Unlimited to find opportunities, even when the ROI shows negative, essentially. You know that Scan Unlimited is going to find you the ranks for the items quickly, so that allows you to quickly find out which products are selling well, and then even if the ROI is not so great, you might be able to find some sort of bundle opportunity because Scan Unlimited pointed out to you which items from your suppliers list is actually selling in the first place. And so I hope this helps. It does require some creativity because I say bundling multi-packs, but you might be able to find an opportunity to bundle 2 different products together, something that complements each other, and you provide value to a customer by doing that. And I guess at the end of the day, that's really what this is all about. It's about providing value to customers, and that's just how business is. So it's kind of almost no surprise that doing this kind of work actually does provide profit or does generate profit because you are finding ways to provide value to customers that weren't originally going to be able to get that value. So in the case of a multi-pack, by giving them a small discount for buying 2, they didn't have that opportunity before you came around. So don't get discouraged when you upload a file to Scan Unlimited and you see that your supplier has negative numbers and there's nothing you can do about it. There's always something you can do about it. This was just one alternative. I still have more. But I'll save it some more so I can make some more videos later on. Gotta get some more videos out there. I hope that helps you maybe look at Scan Unlimited and sourcing wholesale in general from a different perspective. I know I did. I used to really just be the type to look at the ROI and just be like, okay, can't make money there, can't make money there. And now I get very creative. I create multi-packs, I create different types of bundles, I look for other opportunities with the same product, maybe on different listings or whatever it may be. I think that's kind of where I want to end it there. If you found the video helpful and if you want to learn maybe another way to use Scan Unlimited to help you with wholesale sourcing, go ahead and like the video. Leave a comment if you have any specific questions. And if you'd like to see a feature in Scan Unlimited that you don't see already, then go ahead and leave a comment. We're very quick with implementing new features. If you're not a Scan Unlimited member yet, it's free to sign up. So I'll pull up the subscription page here for this user. So it's free to sign up, and I really do mean free. Like, we have a free membership. There is a paid membership if you are ready to scan multiple files per month. But if you just want to casually do like one supplier upload per, like if you want to scan one file per month and that's all you need, then the free plan is perfect for you, and you get to have all your scans in one place and you get all the benefits of Scan Unlimited alongside it. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this as well, because you'll get notifications if you are subscribed to the channel. Other than that, happy sourcing. See you later. Bye.